Iléyá, Iléyá o, ọmọ Odùduwà. Iléyá, Iléyá, Iléyá o, ọmọ Odùduwà. Iléyá. Bí a kò bá lè gbé lápapọ̀, ṣe bó yẹ ká lè dá dúró. Ká jáwọ́ nú àpọ̀n tí kò yọ, ká tètè gbómi lákàná. Iléyá o, Iléyá, Iléyá o, ọmọ Odùduwà. Iléyá. Bí a kò bá lè gbé lápapọ̀, ṣe bó yẹ ká lè dá dúró. Ká jáwọ́ nú àpọ̀n tí kò yọ, ká tètè gbómi lákàná. Iléyá o, Iléyá, Iléyá o, ọmọ Odùduwà.
Orí ẹ̀ ó burú ó rò pé gbogbo nǹkan tí mò ń bá yín fa ẹ̀rù pé mò ń bá yín ṣeré ọmọ yẹn tẹ́tí rán sí mi tẹ́ ń pè àtàwọn ọ̀gá rẹ̀ tẹ́ ń rán sí mi pé fẹ́ fún mi lówó kí n stop ẹ̀kẹ́ fi lè dìbò 2023 ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú ẹ̀yin ọmọ rẹ̀ ẹ̀yin ìran yóò bá dáadáa dáwọn yìí ẹ̀yin nìkan lẹ̀ ń pa ẹ̀mọ owó tẹ́ kó lọ lóyìnbó tẹ́ fi ń ra lé sílùú èbó owó tẹ́ kẹ́ fi tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n mọ ha dọ́là ní káàkiri ní club ẹ sọ àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ àwọn àǹtí wa ẹ sọ wọn dolóso wọ́n parí ìwé wọn níríṣẹ́ wọ́n ń sọ olóso ẹ sọ gbọ́n àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n tó parí ìwé tó yunifásitì ẹ sọ wọn dọ ọlọ́kadà ẹ sọ wọn dọ márúwá ọwọ́ ni wọ́n kan Fẹ́mi Òjùdú Sunday Igboho àìná àbọ̀lọ̀ fẹ́ bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ níbo ló ti mọ̀ mí bó lè mi àti ẹ ti dapọ̀ kí ló dé mi àti ẹ pọ̀ tó bá rẹ̀ jẹ́ pé wọ́n fún mi 10 kọ́bọ̀ wọ́n máa nu Fẹ́mi àbíkílò Òjùdú àbíkílò pẹ̀lẹ́ yìí bọ́sìtà kó ní kọ́mọ̀dé tó ẹ pé wọ́n parọ́ pé gbówó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ní kọ́mọ̀dé kú mọ́ lójú tó ẹ pé fún mi lówó àmọ́ gbówó lọ́wọ́ yín bẹ́ẹ̀ gbogbo ọgbọ́n tẹ́sà fi discourage mi lórí prógámù yìí lẹ́sàn bàálù tó dẹ̀ ti fò lọ́rọ̀ Yorùbá lọ́wọ́ tí mo wà yìí bàálù tó ti fò lẹ́ ń tawọ́ sí lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá lọ́wọ́ tèmi àti ìjọ fà yìí èmi kọjá ẹni tẹ́ ìpẹ́ fẹ́ búra ẹ̀ fún mi lówó ìwọ gan Fẹ́mi tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ sọ lówó lọ́wọ́ tó mi ni so lówó lọ́wọ́ tó mi ẹran kó lórí burúkú náà dáadáa sí wọ́n gan lówó lọ́wọ́ tó mi ni débi pé ìwọ ń sọ yamayama ń pè mí ń tọ́ọ̀kì tó bá nírù mi lọ́mọ ọmọ dúpẹ́ fọlọ́ ni ọ̀sùn mi dáwọn olóòrùn àwọn tẹ́ ń kó kiri tẹ́ ń fi wọ́n ṣe kiri ni tí n bá fẹ́ ṣe tọ́ọ̀gì lẹ́yìn irú wọ o lè sanwó mi ni ọkọ̀ tí mo nínú àgbàlá sí yàrá ìyá rẹ̀ ni ẹranko jàjàtì ẹ stop gbogbo yẹn máa tẹ́ ń ṣe yẹn no going back lọ́rọ̀ Yorùbá lórí tí mo bá yín fa no going back táwọn kẹ́ máa ń tẹ̀ hàn tẹ́ ń rò pé ẹjọ́ ń tẹ̀ pé kọ́ lọ́wọ́ nǹkan ṣe kí 2023 wèrè tẹ́ ń fi àjẹ gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá tẹ́ ń ṣe bámbám láyó ẹ̀ mọ̀ pé bí ń pọ̀ mọ́ ẹnìkan kan àwọn Fúlàní ẹgbẹ́ nípa wọn ń pa wá wọ́n ń jẹ́ àwọn búrọ́dà wa gbé wọ́n ń gbowó rèbèrèbè lọ́wọ́ wọn ronú bẹ́ẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe security ilẹ̀ Yorùbá gbogbo àti bẹ́ẹ̀ lè bo lè wálé mọ́ ronú bẹ́ẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe mi lọ́mọ Nàìjíríà tí Fúlàní fẹ́ gbé mi lọ́mọ Nàìjíríà tí Fúlàní fẹ́ jí gbé ìláyà tẹ́ fẹ́ jí gbé Fúlàní 1 million dẹ̀ lè dá mi lọ́nà bẹ́ẹ̀ mo sọ fún yín bọ̀ ẹ̀yin pípù yìí gbà pé wèrè ara yín gbogbo ẹ̀ sẹ́nitọ̀ wọ̀nyí ẹ̀yin ọ̀nà ẹ̀rú tẹ́ bá ń lọ ẹ̀ kó mọ̀ pò ẹ̀ kó sójà rẹ̀ ni kọ̀tọ̀ tó lè dẹ́yìn dúró gbogbo àwọn ẹlẹ́ni tí wọ́n alẹ́ tó lè ṣe security fún wọn wọ́n ń jí wọn gbé ẹ wo obìnrin tó wá láti lóyìnbó wọ́n múlẹ̀ wọ́n ń bá ìyàwó sùn lójú ọkọ wọ́n ń bọ́ ọmọ sùn lójú bàbá tẹ́nìkan kò lè ṣe nǹkan kan fún wọn ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú tẹ̀ ń pẹ̀lẹ́ olóṣèlú yìí rí nǹkan kan ṣe sí wá bí ìyàwó ṣe ní jẹ Yorùbá mọ́ adé láàṣẹ mọ́ eléyìí ti tó ó ti tó gẹ́ ó ti tó gẹ́ táwọn àti wọn bá parí yunifásitì táwọn tó mọ lọ kọ́ yá dírẹ́sà nígbà tí wọn bá ríṣẹ́ níbi tí wọn bá ti ń wáṣẹ́ káàkiri tí wọn kó ìwé presidency àsábẹ́yá ẹ mọ̀ fòkó lọ wọn ni pẹ̀fẹ́ bá wọn sùn lẹ́yìn olórúkú sẹ́nitọ̀ wọn tó lù sẹ́ǹsì kọmíṣánná olórúkú ààrẹ nígbà tó ń ṣe kọmíṣánná lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ọmọ yìí àwọn tó wá síwájú rẹ̀ tó bá sùn láwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ tó bá yé wọn jẹ́ tó wáyé pẹ̀lú ọmọ fi ń pakọ̀ bọ́ta kò ṣe fídíò pẹ̀lú ọmọ pamọ́ ọba àwọn yẹn sùn ọba àwọn ọlọ́mọ sùn nígbà tó ń ṣe kọmíṣánná tó wá síwájú sọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀ ìwọ́n náà wá fẹ́ relevant ìwọ́n náà lẹ́nu ọ̀rọ̀ ń sọ̀rọ̀ ní Sunday Igboho àìná ẹranko jáde kọ́ lọ stop gbogbo yamayama tẹ̀ ń ṣe kiri yẹn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá tí mo fa inú going back ni Yorùbá ti bọ́ lóko ẹrú ẹgbà mo sọ fún yín yẹn gbogbo ẹ̀yin olóṣèlú tẹ kóra yín jọ tẹ̀ ń ta Yorùbá Ọlọ́run balẹ̀ àtọ̀nà yín jẹ́ kẹ́ sọ́ra ẹ̀yin olóṣèlú kẹ́ sọ́ra yín o sẹ́wọ̀n pé mo mọ̀ yín dáadáa mo mà sí ní yín gan gbogbo owó tẹ̀ ń gbé kọjá sọ́hùn ó jẹ́ kọjá ọmọ yémi àtẹ̀yìn báyẹn o tẹ̀ ń gbé kọjá sílùú èbó gbogbo owó tẹ̀ kẹ́ fi túnlẹ̀ Yorùbá ṣe kẹ́ fún wa níná tó dáa kẹ́ fún wa lómi kẹ́ fún wa ní security tẹ̀ ń kó kọjá lọ sílùú òyìnbó tẹ̀ lọ́ fi ra lílá ńlá lásẹ̀ pé mo mọ gbogbo ẹ̀ kẹ́ gbé ẹnu yín lọ́wọ́ ọwọ́ lóhun Fẹ́mi Òjòdú kan pòròpórì ẹ̀ burú kọ́ sọ ẹnu ẹ̀ àníkẹ́ wá security fún Yorùbá káwọn agbénipa tó ń pa wáyìí kọ́mọ̀ sí gbé wọ́n gbé yẹn pamọ́ kọ́mọ̀ sí pé àwọn ọmọ kàwé wọn ò ríṣẹ́ mọ́ kẹ wá security tó dáa fún wa ẹ wá lọ jáde the Sunday Igboho ẹ̀ náà ẹranko.
emergency call out lélẹ́yìí tó ta bá fi dídà tèmi wọ́n ní bónírèsì bá fín igbá tó bá lóhun òfin mọ́ èyí tó ti fín níbẹ̀ tó ti tẹ̀ ti fín sí ìpamọ́ kan lọ máa gbọ́ yẹn. Inú mi dùn wípé gbogbo tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yóò ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Ìbí ariwo tí mo ti ń pa láti 2014 nìyí. Ìbí ariwo tí mò ń pa ní 2015 nìyí. Tí ẹ̀ ń pariwo wípé ìyá yìí ń sọ̀rọ̀ sí àwọn olórí yín. Ìyá yìí ń sọ̀rọ̀ sáwọn lọ́balọ́ba yín. Nítorí pé ẹ ti gbàgbé ní òwe Yorùbá tó sọ wípé orúkọ là ń pe ọba aládé. Orúkọ sì ni à ń pe olórí pẹ̀lú. Olórí tó bá ń darí ìlú tí ó fẹ́ kán rí òfin ìsídà kókó lórí ìpele rẹ̀ tó ti jọba tí ó bá fẹ́ kán sọ̀rọ̀ fún un. Torí pé ọba ìlú ó ba lórí amòye, ó ba lórí ọlọ́gbọ́n, ó sì ba lórí òmùgọ̀. Ìwọ tí ọ̀rọ̀ ò bá mo dẹ̀ pa àwọn tí ara wọn ò gbọ́rọ̀ nínú àwọn ọba yẹn ni àwọn political kings, àwọn olè ajẹgúdújẹrá tó wà láàrin ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Torí àwọn bàbá yín kó tó di pé Tinubu fi yín jẹ ọba wọ́n mọ̀ máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ sí wọn tó bá rí ní tí ò dá. Ìbí àgbà mọ́ra ni ọba ń gba nǹkan mọ́ra. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ ti rí pé tọ́ọ̀gì ni àwọn ọba wọ̀nyí tí àwọn olóṣèlú yàn. Apanimọ̀ràgún ni wọ́n. Olókìkí òru olè agbatọwọ́ ẹni ẹlẹ́ni òní wọn. Wọ́n ti gbàgbé pé ọba làwọn. Ọba máa ń mú ojú kúrò nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tí ará ìlú bá ń sọ ni. Ọba tí ó bá fẹ́ gbọ́ ìgbọ́kúgbọ̀ kò yẹ kó wà lórí Facebook. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ponú ni tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá pọ̀dà kò yẹ kẹ́ wà lórí Facebook. Ṣé ètò ìlú ẹ ti parí iṣẹ́ ètò ìlú ṣá? Ǹjẹ́ ẹ̀ ń rí zoom ẹ̀yin olóyè? Ṣé ẹ̀ ń rí zoom sí ààfin ọba láti lè jókòó láti lè jíròrò? Ẹ ṣáà máa bá mi fi sádẹ̀ mo ti kàn sí wọn ní orí kí n máa blọ́ọ̀kì wọn. Àwọn olórí burúkú ọmọ àlè Yorùbá nìyẹn. Gbogbo ẹbí ẹ pátápátá ni Fúlàní máa pa wọ́n máa pàwọ́ náà. À ń sọ̀rọ̀ ohun tí ó jẹ́ bí egbò inú ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ò ń béèrè pé kí ni mo wé sórí. O rò pé lórí burúkú ni ẹ́. Ǹjẹ́ o mọyì ẹ̀mí tó ti sọnù? Ǹjẹ́ o ní ìfura yìí pé ogun ń bọ̀? Ǹjẹ́ o mọ̀ pé ogun abẹ́lé ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Ṣàngó ló máa pa ẹ́. I won't pronounce your name. You are blocked. Ọ̀rọ̀ tèmi máa yàtọ̀ sí gbogbo táwọn bloggers ṣe ń sọ. Mo ní observation tèmi. Opinion mi ò dẹ̀ count. But at the same time, ó count fún àwọn ẹlòmíì. Àìjáde mi, mo ń observe ni. Mo sọra mi di surveyor. Mo ń wọlẹ̀, mo ń wọlẹ̀, mo ń wo tó ní kálukú ń sọ. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ in the sense pé wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe chat, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ kan ńlá ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ ni. Láì ní àròjinlẹ̀. Wọ́n ní igi yìí, wọ́n ní èso tó ń so, ewé tó ń so jáde lára rẹ̀, tó ń hù jáde lára rẹ̀. Wọ́n ní ewé rẹ̀ òwò nìyàn. Wọ́n ní ewé rẹ̀ ugly ń gẹ́ bèrè lọ́wọ́ root yẹn gangan. Ó ní ìmì fẹ́ tú. Gbòǹgbò igi yẹn gangan ní ìmì fẹ́ tú. Wọ́n ní ẹni tí ò fẹ́ ní àlọ́ ọ̀hún. Ẹ káàbọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí. Mo dẹ̀ kí olóyè Sunday Igboho. Yorùbá ti sọ̀rọ̀. Òkú ọmọ ṣe. Òkú ọmọ ṣe. Ọ̀rọ̀ wà lórí ẹ̀. Ibi tí mò ń lọ jìnnà, àmọ́ ibi tí mo máa yà sí ló máa jìnnà díẹ̀. Mo fẹ́ kí ẹ láyé tí yín bẹ́ẹ̀ bá mi share program yìí. Nǹkan yìí kò kàn mí. Ọ̀nà tí wípé bá tilẹ̀ wà ní àjò, a sì ní ẹbí nínú ilé. A ní ilé bàbá. A sì ní ilé ìyá. ogun kí ni wọ́n ń pè ní ogun? Tí ẹ bá mọ̀ túmọ̀ ogun ni gbogbo ẹ̀yin Yorùbá speakers tẹ́ ń ṣe rádaràdá ni o, tẹ́ ń ṣe rándanràndan, ẹ rántí pé ẹlẹ́gbọ̀n lé ẹ lábúrò nínú ilé. Bó bá lè kú kán kú kò kàn yín, bámúbámú lẹ yó. Bámúbámú ni ẹ yó, ń ṣáà máa fi rẹ́ẹ̀dì sí. Bámúbámú lẹ yó, ẹ kọ̀ọ̀kan mọ yòókù kò má yò. Tó ń pè ní centeredness. You are too selfish. Inú mi ò dùn ni mi ò ṣe jáde. Inú mi ò dùn. Kò sẹ́ni tó máa bímọ tó máa fẹ́ lé ọmọ ẹ̀ pa fún ẹkùn. Ìmọ̀ràn tí gbogbo yín gba olóyè Sunday Igboho ó yàtọ̀ sí ìmọ̀ràn tèmi ń gbà. Ó yàtọ̀ sí èmi lè gbà nímọ̀ràn ni kò lè gba ìmọ̀ràn mi torí pé kò pọn dandan. Opinion mi ni. Opinion yìí náà dẹ̀dẹ̀ ń gbà nímọ̀ràn náà. Opinion yìí ni, but it's left to him to decide. Torí pé kí ni? Ó ló ń bọ̀. Àwọn là ń dẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ tó ṣe bí òwe. Number one to start with. Mo fẹ́ kí ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá don't be deceived pẹ̀lú gbogbo àwọn ọba tó láwọn support kínní. Pẹ̀lú incident tó ṣẹlẹ̀ mọ́júmọ́ ní around 3 a.m. 4 a.m. nígbà tí wọ́n lọ sun ilé Sunday Igboho. Opinion tèmi ni. It might differ from your own opinion. Wọ́n ní tí ọmọdé bá ń gé igi nínú igbó, wọ́n ní àgbàlagbà ló mọ ibi tó máa wó sí. Mo rò pé mo ti dé, àkókò mi ti dé ilé ayé náà díẹ̀. Ó gbé orí ẹ̀ tó ń dán lẹ́ẹ̀gẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé ó ti dàgbà. Tá bá máa bọ́ sí February nísìn ó kóṣù kan kí n pé 60. Mo rò pé mo ti dé ilé ayé náà ní ọdún kan tán gba òmìnira 1960. I was born in 1961. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó lè hurt ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó lè dùn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín. I don't give a burger. Ẹ wojú mi, màmá náà máa fìyà. I don't gbéná wojú wúche yín. Torí gbogbo wa la bí a máa ní ọmọ nínú ilé. Abíamọ sì máa ń ràgàbò ọmọ rẹ̀ ni. Wọ́n ní ọmọ ọlọ́mọ ní sì ní àárán níṣẹ́ dé tòrótòró. Are you all getting me? Ẹ kọ́kọ́ bá mi béèrè wípé àwọn tọ́ọ̀gì tó wà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá wa ń kọ́. Torí gbogbo yín ní ìṣẹ̀ ẹ̀ ń hélì Sunday Igboho. Ẹ rántí pé igi kan ò lè dàgbò ṣe. Aṣá láwọn tọ́ọ̀gì látorí balógun tọ́ọ̀gì Ìbàdàn tó ń pè ní bàbá tó kọlà pàǹpàpàǹpà yẹn ẹ rán mi létí Tokyo. Ẹ bá mi béèrè pé níbo ni Tokyo wà. Torí pé mo ní tí ọmọdé bá ń gé igi nínú igbó, àgbàlagbà ló mọ ibi tó máa dé sí. For the sake of pé everybody ní chat button, you just want to talk on Facebook. And he said, ẹ mú igi, ẹ ń ré ewé rẹ̀ ni. Mo ní gbòǹgbò ìbẹ̀dà. Gbòǹgbò ìbẹ̀dà. Ẹnu mi gbà ni. Kò sí tẹnu mi ò gbà. Ara ìgbà tí mo ti fín ni ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín fín lọ́wọ́ tí inú mi fi ń dùn tí mo fi ń rí tàyà. Àgbà tí ń dé. Torí ariwo tí mo ti ń pa náà nìyẹn pé àwọn ọba yìí ìkà ni wọ́n. Àwọn ọba yìí ajẹgúdújẹrá ni wọ́n. Ẹ wá ń sọ ní ìgbà yẹn tí mo máa ń bú wọn 2014 lẹ́ẹ̀ma ní pé àwọn ọba yìí wọn ò lágbára ni. Wọ́n sì ní agbára láti fún Fúlàní ní ilẹ̀. Wọ́n ní agbára láti fún Fúlàní ní obìnrin kó fẹ́. Wọ́n ní agbára láti gbowó lọ́wọ́ Fúlàní. Ẹ yé tanra yín. Wọ́n fi ṣúṣú, wọ́n fi ń bóyin lójú ni. Yorùbá should wake up. Yorùbá kings are the problem in Yorùbá land. Ṣé ti wá rí, mò ń sọ ń gbà yẹn, mò ń gbé ẹnu sókè bí ìgbà tí ewúrẹ́ bá gbé mọ́ngòrò, mò ń fi ẹnu pé àló lórí ibú làwọn ọba yìí. Ẹ tiẹ̀ máa gbọ́ ná, ẹ̀yin Nollywood actors tẹ́ ẹ jáde fún mi nígbà náà, kí ni bọ̀bọ̀ tí eyín ẹ̀ pa tètè nísàlẹ̀ yìí tí ń jẹ́ Ibrahim Shatta, àti wèrè kan tó lóun wá látàyọ̀ tó fi gáàpù ṣe gbogbo yín báyìí tẹni mo bọ́ bá yín ẹjọ́ kílẹ̀ ẹ̀mọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ ní ìsìn àbójú yín fọ́ ni kò ní dáa fẹ́yìn Nollywood òfò lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín ó ṣe tọrọ kẹ́yìn ọjọ́ ayé yín ni gbogbo ẹ̀yin Nollywood Nàìjíríà ẹ̀yin alábòsí ìbẹ́yìí lẹ̀ ń kọrin fólóṣèlú ṣe rí pé ọ̀rọ̀ tèmi yàtọ̀ sí gbogbo tó ní kálukú ń sọ lórí Facebook ìbẹ́yìí lẹ̀ ń kọrin fún àwọn olóṣèlú ẹ̀yin lẹ̀ ń ṣe ránkàdédè fún àwọn olóṣèlú pé kán dìbò fún wọn lẹ́ẹ̀tùmú gbálẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀wọṣọ ọ̀bìlẹ̀ àti wèrè kan tó ṣe ọyàn ràgbàdì báyìí tó kàn pupa àyà tó tún sunké tó pè ní rókè òṣòdì òkè ẹ pọ̀ Jídé Kòsọ́kọ́ kí ni elétètì pòrò yìí tó ti dàgbà tẹ pé ẹ ti fa ní ìkejì ògógó èyí tí ń jẹ gbogbo yín lẹ máa ń kọrin fólóṣèlú àbí gbogbo yín kọ́ ẹnìkan tó wà tó ṣiṣẹ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ Yorùbá dáadáa tí ó sì nínú ààbò sínú àwọn Nollywood ó ní bọ̀bọ̀ Afọláyan yẹn ọ̀rọ̀ tí ò tálí pẹ̀lú tẹ̀yìn òkú lọ́jọ́ kìíní àná tí mo jáde fún Ọba Ọ̀yọ́ ṣèbẹ́yìn Nollywood ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀yìn burúkú ẹ̀yìn òṣì tẹ́ẹ̀rù owó lọ set as a Nollywood ẹgbẹ́léwé ìdìde ẹlẹ́sàbọ́ọ̀dù ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ríṣẹ́ rí gbogbo tó ń ṣe bíbà ṣe pé torí pé ó kan àbúrò mi Sunday Igboho pọ̀ láì ní jáde bí màá yẹ pé tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lánàá mi ní jáde o àwọn èèyàn tí ń pè mí látànà pé kí n jáde mi ní jáde ni bí mo mọ̀ jáde ni tí mo á gbọ́ níṣẹ́ pé màmá voice yín máa ń rìn gan ẹ̀ jáde wọ́n wá mú ọpọlọ èèyàn ọmọ Yorùbá wọ́n wá ń tọ́ iye àwọn ọba ń tọ́ iye ǹjẹ́ ṣé ẹ̀ ń follow news àbí gàlẹ̀ ń follow lórí Facebook ní ẹgẹ́ ń bí yín ṣé mọ̀ wípé ní last week àwọn ọba release press kan látọ̀dọ̀ ààfin lọ́yọ̀ ó ní Sunday Igboho kò ní right láti fún Fúlàní ní ultimatum you forget things easily Yorùbás you forget things easily wọ́n bá ná yín tán náà yín tẹ́ ẹ bá ti sunkún pọ́ńdùn mí o kán ṣàti amú pákí tó ń ṣe ẹ̀gẹ́ kán ti fi sí yín lẹ́nu ẹ máa sọ pé ó ń dùn mọ́ yín ni wọ́n ní abuké ẹrù ẹ wọ́ wọ́n ní ẹ̀wò sàlẹ̀. These others were against Olóyè Sunday Igboho last week. Are you following the news? ṣé ń wo gbogbo brief press wọn tó ń gbé jáde news wọn tó ń gbé jáde ọ̀rọ̀ wá di ojú ọlọ́mọ òtó ọ̀rọ̀ wá di bó lọ yá mi ibi Yorùbá lẹ pè yín bó làákàyè yín wà mi ka comment o admin be a standby please I'm not reading any comment you block anybody block a ball it's about the mama na mafia wọn mọ̀ pé ó máa dogun ó máa wà extensive báyìí o wọn mọ̀ pé ìgàngán yẹn Ìbàràpá yẹn wọ́n máa lé Fúlàní lọ ṣe bẹ́yìn ọba yìí náà lẹ́ lanu tẹ́ ẹ pa dé bí ilẹ̀kùn Abógundé tẹ́ ẹ ní wípé pẹ̀lú gọ́vùnà Mákindé tẹ́ ẹ ní wípé Ìgbòho àtàwọn Yorùbá wọn lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ láti lé wọn ẹ̀yìn ìgbà yẹn another video olóṣì lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọ̀nà ẹ̀yìn ọba yìí kò ní dẹ̀ ní ẹ̀yìn o àtúbọ̀tán yóò lè dà ibi ò fẹ́ ṣe àwọn speakers wọ́n ti ṣiṣẹ́ jìnnà èyí tí ó lè sùn ti ṣiṣẹ́ jìnnà opinion tèmi ni mò ń sọ observation mi ni mò ń sọ ọ̀rọ̀ wá dogun nígbà tá wá di pé olóyè Sunday Igboho wọ́n rọ̀ níbọn ìbọn gbọ́n dànù ó gbà mọ́ èèyàn bá wá wí pé ọmọ yẹn rí ẹ òkò ń bọ̀ ẹ wá ń pa àlọ́ tí ó dénú wọ́n ní ta ló fà ẹ̀yin náà ni ẹ rántí fídíò kan tó jáde lánàá jẹ́ ń pè yín sí àkíyèsí kan èmi ò láìkí máa really play show ní show ẹni tí ò bá rí a jẹ́ pé ọ̀dẹ̀ ni. ní ìlú Abẹ́òkúta lánàá àwọn Haúsá kan wọ́n lọ bá àwọn Yorùbá tó wà ńbẹ̀ wọ́n ń query wọn pé kí lẹ wá ṣe àwọn Yorùbá wọ́n ṣàn sọ èdè wọn okay at the end of the day kí ni Haúsá yẹn ṣe ó lè mi máa ń bá ọba Ọ̀yọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ dáadáa jẹ́ kí phone number Yorùbá yẹn máa ń bi Fúlàní yẹn pé ṣé o ní phone number ọba Ọ̀yọ́ ni ó lónìí lórí fóònù a máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ kò ní yí ẹyin lápapọ̀ ẹyin ọba ẹyin olè mo tẹ̀ ti ń retí alálẹ̀ yín láti 2004 tí mo ní alálẹ̀ ò lè gbọ́ àdúrà yín, kò lè gbé ẹ̀bẹ̀ yín torí pé kí ni inú yín gan ò dùn sí ará ìlú, òrìṣà ò sì fẹ́ ẹ̀gbin. Gẹ́tẹ́ ti wọ ìpèlè ọba, wọ́n ti sọ fún pé agbára tán gbé fún yín ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ fi ṣèkà, ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ fi ṣe òṣónú, àmọ́ ẹ fi ṣe òṣónú ẹ wá lẹ fẹ́ rán alálẹ̀ sí, àbí kémi gan rán alálẹ̀ sí yín kò ní yẹ yín. Kí ẹ bá mi bèèrè lọ́wọ́ ọba Lámídì Adéyẹmí, kí ni phone number? Let me see if I can retrieve that video. Kí ni phone number wá dọ́wọ́ àwọn Fúlàní? Àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá gan ní phone number láti pe ọba Lámídì Adéyẹmí. Am I making sense here? Ẹ ti reason tí mi ò ṣe fẹ́ jáde wá ṣe chat. Ọ̀rọ̀ tèmi máa yàtọ̀. Ẹ mọ̀ pé wọ́n dẹ̀ máa analyze tèmi náà máa gbé etí ti bàbá o. Ẹ sábọ́dọ̀ ní respect. Ọ̀rọ̀ tèmi máa gbé. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ fún yín, mo lè bú ọba, I'm 60. Mi ń ṣe ọmọdé mọ́ grandma lèmi náà. Bó mo ti lè rí fídíò yẹn, ó dà pé ó wà ní ọ̀dọ̀ Face Me Buhari bí nǹkan kí ló ti ẹ̀ pé orúkọ rẹ̀ jẹ́ kí n wò. Ẹ rí wípé lójú ọmọ Yorùbá, àwọn Fúlàní tún wá ń pó. Ṣé èèyàn ti ojú oníka mẹ́sàn-án, ṣé èèyàn tójú rẹ̀ ẹ̀ka? It's a slap. Ẹ̀pá àwọn bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn náà wọ́n ti kó pátá wọn. Wọ́n tún wá ń rẹ́rìn fún tí Fúlàní yẹn wí. Ta ló yẹ kẹ́ ẹ bò wọ́n mọ́lẹ̀? Kẹ́ ẹ ṣá wọn wẹ́lẹ́wẹ́lẹ́, kẹ́ ẹ gba fóònù nọ́mbà ọba Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́ lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀, kẹ́ ẹ bòǹbáàdì bàbá yẹn, kẹ́ ẹ filé ayé sú kó lọ sùn, kó lọ fẹ̀yìntì gí ìgbàgbé. Àwa wí tán nígbà tí ẹ ti wá rí pé ọ̀rọ̀ ti dé ojú ẹ̀, ìyẹn bá wá ní we are in support o, we are in support o, kọ́ má bà wá yalù yín kọ́, gbogbo yín ni wọ́n máa yalù. Oríṣi òkè òsì ní gbà yín sílẹ̀. Mo ní èmi àti ẹ a ní phone number àwọn ọba yìí lọ́wọ́, direct number wọn ǹjẹ́ ní lọ́wọ́. Tẹ́ bá tiẹ̀ fẹ́ pé wọ́n gan kí ni wọ́n máa wí. Mi ò rí ń bíbà yìí. Jẹ́ ń lọ wo ọ̀dọ̀ tẹ́ni. Kò sẹ́ni tó ní direct number àwọn olóṣèlú lọ́wọ́, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àní direct number ọba kankan lọ́wọ́. Tẹ́ bá pé wọ́n, you have to go through kíni their PA. Kí ni wọ́n á dẹ̀ sọ fún yín? Wọ́n ní bàbá wà ní ìgbàlẹ̀ òun sinmi lọ́wọ́. Kí ni phone number ibi tí ọba wa Ọ̀yọ́ ti kọ́kọ́ jẹ̀bi tí mo expect kẹ́yìn speaker kẹ́ ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ẹ̀. Ẹ má mọ̀ mú mi jáde o, mo tún lè bọ́ sínú ihò mi kí n má tún sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ for the next 2 weeks. Mi ò young sí mọ́ mò ń dàgbà sí ni. Torí pé àìsọ̀rọ̀ lórí point yẹn gangan, ọ̀rọ̀ pé àlọ́kọ́ leléyìí ó favour. You don't need to favour any king. You don't need to favour any politician. Àfolórí burúkú tó bá ń jẹ lábẹ́ wọn ló. Agoda mi ò sì jẹ lábẹ́ Kẹ̀sí. Fídíò tó pọ̀ jù. Ó dẹ̀ ń sọ lójú ọmọ Yorùbá. Wọ́n ní kí ló tẹ́ fi kó màálù wá síbí. Ibí yìí ni. Tó dẹ̀ pé bíi ni. Ibí yìí ni. Jẹ́ kí n connect ẹ̀. Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ìyẹn. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ̀yin blogger tẹ́ ẹ bá lè máa narrate àwọn incidents. Don't be expecting me to be coming out. I don't have time for fuckery. I'm not getting younger.
Ẹran màálù ibo ló ti wá ibo ló ti wá bí àyè kan fún
Ẹ máa gbọ́ wọn.
Ọ̀yọ́
Ṣé gbọ́ bàbá Ọ̀yọ́?
Ṣé ti rí gbogbo yín lọ láti
Ọ̀yọ́ wàhálà too much lọ́yọ̀.
Fúlàní tó bá wá sí ibi báyìí.
Wọ́n pẹ́ kábíyèsí. Wọ́n ní pé kòsí wàhálà ẹ̀fílẹ̀ pàpẹ́ fún àwọn kábíyèsí Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́.
Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́. Ikú bàbá yìí.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbóhùn kábíyèsí. Àwọn táwọn sọ lélẹ́yìí o, gbogbo wọn ni wọ́n ti dé Adigbe wọ́n ti dé Ọbádá ní civil defence estate ibẹ̀ ni wọ́n wà wọ́n ṣẹ̀kọ́ wọn dé ní láti Ọ̀yọ́ ní Ìbàràpá níbi tí wọ́n ti ń dá wàhálà lẹ̀ wọ́n ti dá yín wá ní Abẹ́òkúta ń bí o wọ́n dẹ̀ ti dé Ọbádá o ọ̀gá wọn nìyó ó lóun pé Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́ Aláàfin náà ló fẹ́ pé báyìí
ṣé ń gbọ́.
ó yá pé Aláàfin tó fẹ́ pé ó lóun fẹ́ pa Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́ ìwà Aláàfin ní kò sí wàhálà.
This is slang on Yorùbá.
ọjọ́ wo ni wọ́n pa Aláàfin. ọjọ́ wo ló pe Aláàfin. ọjọ́ wo ló pa Aláàfin. àná òkè ó yá pa Aláàfin náà ká gbọ́n sí.
Odidi phone number Aláàfin tó lóun olórí tróònù lọ fóònù nọ́mbà ẹ lọ́wọ́ Fúlàní ẹ wá mú aṣọ ẹ ń ka lókè ẹ wo gbòǹgbò.
àtẹ̀yìn àti ẹran yín o.
Fúlàní náà tó bá kó sí Yorùbá kò ní bá ọ̀dà orí bẹ́ẹ̀ wọn kò tí ì gbẹ fóònù.
ẹ máa kó kí ló fẹ́ fi nọ́mbà ẹ ṣe ẹ máa kó ẹran yín lónìí o òní náà lè máa kó nóbí báyìí o because aláwò.
ẹ jọ kílẹ̀ rí sọ sí yẹn ọmọ Yorùbá wọn wá ń gbé yín mọ́ra wọn wá ń tọ́ì àwọn ọba wá ń tọ́ì pẹ̀lú bírèènì yín bí àwọn olóṣèlú náà bó ṣe ń tọ́ ìṣèbí ẹ rí pé Tinubu nìsín ó ti lọ ṣe àpò gàrí jáde tó fẹ́ gbé fún yín kí ló dé iná tẹ̀yìn Yorùbá ta ló kó pátá yín ajá alẹ̀ tó ti ń kó pátá yín ìwọ tó gbé kéwu ọ bí kò ní yẹ̀ ẹ́ aláìyá bí kéwu ló gbé bí èdè Islamic àbí kí ló gbé bó ti block ẹ ṣáà máa fi admin be at alert. Bí bá tún ti sọ tí mò ń sọ tán nísìn mo tún máa sá pamọ́ ó ṣe ọkọ mi. Tí má ti ṣe tí máa ṣe tán nísìn màá tún fọwọ́ lẹ́ran. Inú gbogbo yín wá ń dùn ẹ̀ wá ń celebrate àwọn òpònú ọba yìí àwọn oníjẹkújẹ ọba yìí nígbà táwọn ẹgbẹ́ táwọn Fúlàní initially kó tó di ogun wọn ń sọ fún yín pé ọba ló fáwọn ní ilẹ̀ ẹ ti gbàgbé tán kọ́kọ́ sọ lákọ̀ọ́kọ́ o ẹ kọ́kọ́ ẹ gbà yẹn ẹ di wailing wailers ẹ lọ́dọ̀ àṣẹ ọba ló fún wọn nílẹ̀ àwọn ọba wá wò pé ìjọba mọ kọ́kọ́rọ́ ta fi èdè wọn ò lè mú èmi torí pé wọn kò pátá tèmi lọ sájà alẹ̀ béèdì wọn bá mú ẹ̀yìn tó ti gé wọn orí yín èdè kankan ní Nàìjíríà ò lè mú èmi ẹ ra fi mílẹ̀ bí mo ṣe ń observe àwọn èèyàn tó pè mí láti Nàìjíríà tó ń jẹ́ èèyàn ńláńlá wọ́n bẹ̀ mí ni pé kí n jáde wọ́n bẹ̀ mí ni pé kí n jáde pé ẹ̀yin làwọn èèyàn expect kẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ àbúrò yín Sunday Igboho ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ if not so mi ní jáde mo tún máa fọwọ́ lẹ́rán ni ẹ̀rí tí mo ṣe ní ìsìn gbogbo àwọn tó ti bú ọba darí lánàá tó ti bú ọba darí ní gẹ̀tà rí pé wọ́n ní bú wọn. ẹ̀sà bọ́ọ̀dù tún ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ o ìyàwó èrè ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ o ìyá Bingo ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ o aṣẹ́wó ni o ó bímọ fún Barrister ó gbọ́mọ lọ sí ilé Fẹlá orí yín burú bí eégún tó lé ń wèrè babaláku anybody ò lè shut me off àfi tí n bá observe torí pé mo ti pariwo láti kọ́ ẹ̀ pé ṣé n tí mo wá ń wí ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá tẹ́ ń gbọ́ mi àti haters tẹ́ ń gbọ́ mi ṣé ariwo tí mo wá ń pa láti 2014 wípé àwọn ọba ní ìṣòro lẹ̀ Yorùbá ṣé mo wá já náà ní ìsàbí mi ò já náà ẹ wá ní màmá ò jáde o ìbí náà wá ń fi purọ́ fún yín pé mi ò gbé yín suspension kankan I can come out at any time mo dákẹ́ mò ń wò nítorí pé ó gbòògùn amúkun mẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ló pọ̀ nínú yín ẹ jẹ́ kí iye yín sọ ẹ jẹ́ kí iye yín sọ bí mo ṣe ń pariwo láti 2014 ni mo ṣe Ajímọ̀bí gàbàgàbẹ́ ẹ̀pọ̀n tí mo fi popular bó ti ń pariwo láti ìgbà yẹn ẹ kéwì kò sẹ́ńtẹ́ ẹ̀ràn sí mi tán ẹni kan lọ fi mọ́tò kọ lu ọmọ mi last born mi wájú ilé mi that has never happened in this estate the same thing you did with Tenny tẹ lọ fi mọ́tò yìí tẹ. tí n bá kọjá báyìí ẹ̀ràn yàn síbi kó máa àtáàkì mi kó máa nà mí kó máa gún mi lọ́bẹ èbí dá ìwígbà yẹn ni wípé àṣejù ìyá ẹ̀ pọ̀ jù ṣé ẹ ti wá rí nísìn mo lé mi lọ́lọ́run gbéga ẹ bá mi yan Ọlọ́run lógo àṣebí rọ́bà lọ lógún ọdún ìjọkọ̀ ṣoṣo lòtítọ́ máa bá I was the first blogger that confronted these bastard kings since 2014. Esabod on the throne, unshakable Esabod. ẹ̀gbọ́n tí Fúlàní yẹn sọ mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ dì sí ọwọ́ ẹ bá wa bè lọ́wọ́ Lámìdí Adéyẹmí pé bó ti jẹ́ pé ó tún gbàyàwó oníyàwó kiri ni bàbá yẹn ní ìsinyìí ayé fàmílétè ntútọ́ ni Lámìdí Adéyẹmí ń wù ó ti mọ̀ pé ọjọ́ òun pínísín báyìí ló kù ó fi nǹkan dáadáa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ó ń fi nǹkan burúkú parí rẹ̀ torí ó ti mọ̀ pé tóun bá kú lẹ́nìí bóun ò tiẹ̀ gẹ́ wọn mọ́ òun jẹ́ kínní bó ṣe ń gbàyàwó actor ló ń gbàyàwó everybody bàbá ìgangan ló ń balẹ̀ ayé jẹ́ Lámìdí Adéyẹmí ẹnu mi gbà ọba tí kú ó pa iye máa sọ pé ọba tí kú ó pa òun gẹ́ bí Elédùmarè tí kú ó pa bloodful. àwọn olórí burúkú aláyé bàjẹ́ mi a máa pariwo ọba wa ni wọ́n òrìṣà ni wọ́n òrìṣà orí burúkú òrìṣà lè yà láyà yín àwọn olórìṣà ebi gan òrìṣà àkóná ẹ̀bọ lẹ́yìn Ọlọ́run. ṣé n tí Haúsá yìí tí Fúlàní yìí sọ ṣé kò wà justify ìyẹn gangan ló mo rò pé ó yẹ káwọn speakers ò jáde fún ebi gan ò ní direct number ìjọ tí máa bá ọba Aláàfin sọ̀rọ̀ tú ìyàwó wọn ló gbé fóònù fún mi ní direct number. ṣé Fúlàní àwọn Fúlàní tá à ń sọ yìí lójú gbogbo Nigeria government stupid Nigeria government bastard Nigeria government fraudulent Nigeria government miscreant Nigeria government kò ní dáa fún yàrá yín coronavirus ni yóò mọ wọlé yín yóò mọ pa yín tọmọtọmọ ni ẹgẹ wá sọ nǹkan kan fún yín ẹni wọ́n fẹ́ pín orílẹ̀-èdè ṣé tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí jọ pé wọ́n fẹ́ pín orílẹ̀-èdè ṣé Fúlàní Libya ṣé Fúlàní Niger ṣé ó yàtọ̀ sí Fúlàní Nigeria? Why are you mixing things up to justify yourself? Am I making sense? If I'm making sense, show me love. If not, if I'm making sense, you can change the topic. It's just a stupid excuse. Why are you part of Nigeria government? What of the Boko Haram that are bombing our people using tanker oil tanker lórí express? Wọ́n máa fi gbé bomb wá dé kill gbogbo èèyàn lórí expressway. Àmọ́ sunkún Yorùbá wọn mọ̀ pa. Ètò ti gé lápá tó ti do ní bára sábò ti do ní bára. Mélòó ni Yorùbá tí ì ṣe? Mélòó la tí ì ṣe gan? A sọ wípé báwo làwọn Fúlàní ṣe máa ní territory. Ṣé báwọn Haúsá wà ní Sábó ní Mọ́kọ́lá? Wọ́n dẹ̀ wà ní Sábó lọ́yọ̀. Wọ́n wà ní Sábó ní Ilé Ifẹ̀. Keep down your voice. Or go take your friend to your room, Joe. Ṣé bisa àwọn Haúsá ṣé àní Haúsá Sábó lára? Ṣé ẹ fẹ́ sọ wá di ọ̀dẹ̀ ni? Ṣé àmọ̀ yàtọ̀ láàrin Haúsá àti Fúlàní? Ṣé àmọ̀ mọ ìtàn láàrin Yar'Adua Fúlàní ni? Ìran rẹ̀ ń pààyàn. Basunu Alima secretary mi Fúlàní ni torí family Yar'Adua ni. Ìyẹn rò pé Basunu Alima ń pààyàn. And àwọn tó wá pa wá yìí, they are hired. They were hired. They are still hiring them from neighboring countries. They are not Nigerians. But now, you the bastards, some bastards, you know yourself. I can even say all Yoruba Obas, you are all bastards. You are all motherfuckers. No inspection. Because ẹ̀yin tẹ́ quiet gan náà tẹ́ bá wọn ṣe Fúlàní ẹ̀yin náà sọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n ti gbóhùn lẹ́nu yín Ọba Ìjẹ̀bú ó sọ̀rọ̀ Abẹ́òkúta ó sọ̀rọ̀ Iléṣà ó sọ̀rọ̀ eléyìí ó sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yin náà tún lè dá sí ni ayé ikọ̀ ògbé kan bí òwú jango. Ẹ dákun ẹran alálẹ̀ ṣe mi o bórí yín ò bá fẹ́ burú. Okay, I'm àwọn lousy one. Ṣé àwọn lousy one? To a long grant interview, even we are in support. We call that a damage control. Wake up. It's a damage control. Kini phone number Lámìdí Adéwọ̀yẹ ní wá nínú phone Fúlàní. Oh! Àwọn ọba tó quiet mo mọ̀ pé ẹ ń wò yí pé bá wọn jẹ gbì. Lè kú gbì. Bá wọn lọ s'Abuja, bá wọn ní màálù, bá wọn ṣe gold mining. Ìyẹn náà kílẹ̀ yìí náà tún wá jọba lé lórí tẹ́ rolúndù. ẹ̀yin náà tún lè sọ̀rọ̀ ní ṣọ́ gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu yín ní ṣé lè sọ̀rọ̀ ní ṣé rí pé ogun ti fẹ́ wọlé Yorùbá báyìí ṣé tí yín di ní ọba Àjẹ̀bú ọba Abẹ́òkúta Arómọláràn ewé Adóńbolẹ̀ wà tẹ́ ẹ dolúndù tẹ́ ẹ gbégún tẹ́ ẹ sápamọ́ sínú kọ̀rọ̀ yóò bá fòrò yà láyà gbogbo yín. Mi ò fẹ́ ṣe ṣáàtì bí mo ṣe sọ fún ẹni tó pè mí lẹ́nu láti Nàìjíríà mo ní bébí bá ṣe ṣáàtì mi máa ń blast ni ọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu mi ò dá and I'm saying the truth. I'm a truth sayer. I don't fucking care. Mi bá ti yàn jẹ́ ilé bá ti mi gẹ́ mi ìpọ́ ọmọ ọlọ́mọ èrè rọmọ mi pa èyí ṣe èrè. Ṣé ti wá rí pé irọ́ pátápátá ni wípé olóṣèlú gbàgbára lọ́wọ́ àwọn ọba irọ́ pátápátá ni wọ́n jọ ń pín ni wọ́n jọ ń kó màálù fún Fúlàní ni mo sọ pé without the consent of a king Fúlàní ò ní gbé territory wọnú state wọn Fúlàní just like Gangan ọba baby kò support wọn ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé Gangan ọba is not really ọba bíi baálẹ̀ ni wọn at least òun náà tó máa ní ẹni tó head the district yẹn baby he didn't support them that's why they kidnapped his son. Ìjẹ́ máa lọ mi ìfẹ́ sọ jù ẹ́ lẹ́yìn tó mi ti fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ pé wọ́n máa bá lẹ̀ gẹ̀ ṣé kí n máa lọ ìjẹ́ máa lọ kí n má ṣàlàyé yọjú ni. Ìjẹ́ máa lọ tí bá ní kí n sọ̀rọ̀ wàláhì máa sọ 3 hours mi ní fi kan pé kan máa dé balẹ̀ gẹ̀ pátápátá. Ọ̀rọ̀ tèmi pẹ̀tẹ̀pẹ̀tẹ̀ ni èmi ò ń pariwo lásán bí mo dẹ̀ tó ń ṣe ń lọ yìí tí kókó tárùn ọ̀rọ̀ kọ ẹ̀tàn rí ijọ́ mélòó kan ẹ̀tàn ní rí mi mọ́ tí kókó tárùn kọ drama torí Facebook mò ń wò. Ọ̀yọ́ wá ṣé ẹ ti kọ́kọ́ gbàgbé ń tọ́yọ̀ kọ́kọ́ wí ní ó mọ̀ wà lára àwọn tó kọ́kọ́ bú Sunday Igboho òun àti Ṣèyí Mákindé tó dàbí gòsòrò tó dàbí ẹran tó ń yàgbé ọ̀rìn ìyẹn lórí bóyá iṣẹ́ ìlú ni ó kàn ń gbẹ ìgbà tó tẹ̀ wá tí ò ti ṣiṣẹ́ ìlú gan ojú rẹ̀ ń fírẹ́ṣì ó ń gbẹ lórí ìdúró ni bí èrè tán rí mọ́ wájú mọ̀ pò. Ọ̀yọ́ support last week tí gbogbo wa tún fi pariwo Ọ̀yọ́ o Ọ̀yọ́ o ń gbọ́ rí pé àwọn èèyàn ò gbà ó rò pé gbé ibi tí wọ́n bá ṣàkárà wọn ní àwọn ajagunjagun ìtẹ́ bá ṣàkárà wọn máa gborí pamọ́ sínú ilé nígbà tó rí pé wọn àbí oyè tó kára ìwòsẹ́ ó ń bọ̀ wá kárẹ́ ẹ̀dẹ̀ ẹ̀yẹn tí wọ́n fi ọba ti wò lẹ̀ ìyẹn ò nọ́mà igbó tó drọ́ọ̀gì tó mo ti kó sí yẹn lọ́pọlọ ẹrù ayé nìyẹn ìyẹn ó ń rílì ṣò fún gbogbo wa pẹ̀lú àwọn press wípé politician lòun kò deny ẹ̀ ó tún ti ń campaign báyìí ẹ bìlí pé wèrè ló jọba níwò asínwìn lẹ fi jọba níwò amúgbó lẹ fi jọba níwò oníjú Ọbàtálá lẹ fi jọba níwò aládé ìṣàyínṣẹ́ lẹ fi jọba níwò fẹ́ẹ̀kì lẹ fi jọba níwò kò níyàwó lẹ fi jọba níwò òpònú lẹ fi jọba níwò dìdìrín lẹ fi jọba níwò olè lẹ fi jọba níwò frosta ló rúlu yín ní ìlú Ìwò ayanga ẹ bí n bá pọ́n lé òní pé kó o bá ṣe ní tí ò dá ìní láálí ẹ bọ́yọ̀ náà bá tún ṣe tó dọ́là làmà tún kì tó bá àtìlì mo ṣe kí last week tí mo ṣe ráwò pé èmi náà ṣe ń wúwà bẹ́ẹ̀ tó kó pátá rẹ̀ ráì. Ìwọ ọba Ìwó ó tiẹ̀ wá sọ̀rọ̀ kí ni wọ́n ti ń pè ó sọ̀rọ̀ tó ń lọ nílẹ̀ mọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ pé kó lọ vóòtù fún Tinubu lòun campaign kiri ẹ̀yin Ìwó olódò ọba ó dẹ̀ pẹ́ ń jìyà ìṣẹ̀yìn lọ́wọ́ ọ̀nà lọ́nà mọ́ bí n tẹ́ fi ayé ọba tó kù mẹ́ ṣé táyé ṣe wọ́n ń pè ní n tẹ́ fi ọba tó kù mẹ́ bóyá ìyá rẹ̀ lẹ̀ ń jẹ ẹ ti wọ last chance ẹ mọ́ lọ wá bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fi pọ́npọ́lé kúrò ń bẹ̀ very disgraceful Olúwo Ìfìwọ̀ ìyá ti mọ̀ pé kò sí ọlá òwúrọ̀ lárí. I used to praise you.
So, the cowardice of Africa's militias. All these people, we notice, this whole Fulani must go, and all that noise everybody is making now in Nigeria, blah blah blah. You know, this competition of the ethnic groups. Me too, I've been playing before. Yoruba are the best people here. We are better than Igbo people. We are better than Hausa people. But I be mugu that time. I don't get sense now past that time. You know, so real quick. When I don't notice, say, you don't never hear Yoruba Ronu when Dangote trucks kill 28 school children. I be 20 school children where they did. I mean, they say a kid, Oshi. How many people they say they killed last week with truck? You never thought say Yoruba Ronu that time, say Fulani man truck can't kill all our children for Southwest. When our children they die for hospital, nobody they talk say Yoruba Ronu that moment. Nobody they give ultimatum to private hospital doctors when they refuse to treat poor Yoruba people, and Yoruba people are dying by their thousands. You know, we hear anybody say, Yoruba Ronu, let's mobilize. We give these doctors that don't treat our people, we give them 3 days to start treating our people. Yes, we burn down their hospital. Nobody talk that one. Now, when they won't use fascism, this one a fascist ideology, immediately you start blaming one group of people. Not looking for the people among them that commit the crime. Start blaming the whole people. That's fascism. That's how, you know, demagogues. That's what they do. That's not demagogue. That's demagoguery. When our children cannot go to school, you can never hear them say they give the government ultimatum of 7 days to fix education in this country, or they will lead the people there. Can never talk that one. They talk that one, they hear that one for anywhere. All these are our strong men everywhere. Everybody is strong man. And what you can notice is now always the agent of our oppressors. Now in the get chance, give this kind of ultimatum. Because whether we like it or not, this Mr. Sunday go do everywhere they shout was working for Sheyi Makinde during his election. That they empower him. Are we sure it's not Sheyi Makinde that saying him? Because Akeredolu don't show strong man for Ondo. Makinde is a PDP governor. He can't do that same. They look at if you can say me, I'll be here. Okay, my boy, you go and do it. I'll do as if I'm fighting you. Why? Because security of state is the duty of the governor. It's our governors that leave us unprotected. It's our presidents. It's our president that leaves us unprotected. Now government work to protect the citizens of this country. Right, so if there's something we are angry about security, now government we must give ultimatum. Now government we must give. Even the local government chairman of that area, they don't give an ultimatum. They don't give local government chairman ultimatum. Why no ultimatum on our suffering? You understand? And now, I'm sorry to say, everybody, this is a short, this is my live short because I just want to talk because that the main points I just want to give you now. Because all this ultimatum, all this noise everybody they make. Now money they don't put for their pocket, they give them power to talk that or do all this kind of rubbish. You understand? Anybody can misbehave for Nigeria as he like. So far you are a government boy. You know what I'm saying? If kidnapping is a problem in Nigeria, then we are in a real problem because the #1 kidnapper of Nigerian people is the Nigerian police force, the Nigerian custom, NDLEA, army. Nobody kidnap Nigerian people reach all these our security agencies. Abisha because then they do it for night and wear mufti. How many of our brothers they work for road How many of our sisters, they go for road, they will suddenly disappear, nobody will see them. Until a week later, we'll go find them inside one police station. And they will someone come pay bail. Oh, because you don't call a ransom. You will not do anything, they just hold you, put you for inside one place. Take your freedom away, you can't go. Car owner going, they go for they go say you park for one place, you know if you move. They'll just detain you, just put you there until you pay for your freedom. That's kidnapping now. Say of course we no one talk true. Nobody kidnap Nigerian people, reach Nigerian police and security forces. Anywhere they go, they are ready to kidnap you at any moment. And the way kidnappers they kill us, now so they say they kill us sometimes. So this kidnapping issue, you know, let's really look at it. And all Nigerian tribes were all involved. All Nigerians were all involved. Every so-called all ethnicity is involved in kidnapping. All ethnicity is involved in armed robbery. You understand what I'm saying? So from Boko Haram to any militia, OPC, that's how OPC start now. Where Ghanaian and did not be life they enjoy for Arano Konkonfo, the big politician. How many freedoms Yoruba people gain from OPC action? What did we gain as Yoruba people? They will do all this their show finish, and then go now gain for themselves. And then go still gain at the end of the day. Not be Yoruba people not gain anything. You know. What till we gain? What till Hausa people they gain? They say Fulani headsmen they can't kill us, it should not be criminality. It's a caliphate agenda. Okay, I hear it's a caliphate agenda day. If caliphate agenda day, how can they kill themselves for kill the same caliphate people for not too? Because no matter what these people they do, these bandits what they talk to, they do it for not too, and they keep people for not anyhow. Like flies, man. So the truth about this matter is that this government cannot protect us, or they are unwilling to protect us. Our governors and their agents and their families and their lovely pets, because among us they are pets. Because I don't tell them for they see us will be animal for their eye, and that's why they talk to us. They near us. They say they won't share welfare for Nigerian people. Say they will do it with satellite. And satellite they will take nowhere people. They say, you know, they rather use satellite than to come near us because they feel we are animals. So among animals, you get some pets, and those pets will let near you. So they get some pets where they protect where. Everybody they go everywhere with Mopo, 1 million police, they guard everybody. We Nigerian people, nobody is protecting us. And I'm not talking for the last live where I talk about this issue. The way to protect the Nigerian people is to expand the police, Abi. Give them equipment, increase their training. All these things will reduce money that you're going to steal. There will be no money to steal. That's the problem. That's the problem. So for that reason, we Nigerians must pay the price. Then they bring their boys, their agents, to lead us astray, to give you useless and to point to give you your enemy. So you ignore your real enemy. This fascism, when you start, well, and African people cannot support fascism. Start blaming the whole people for the crime of a few people. And so Hitler said, it's the Jews. The problem of the whole Europe is the Jews. Is the Jews. Because if you articulate the problem for that or your state, articulate the problem for Ondo State, articulate the problem for Lagos State, articulate the problem for Ogun State, articulate the problem for Osun State, articulate the problem for Ekiti State, it is on the governor's table. It is the local government chairman's fault. Where is the ultimatum for the local government chairman? Where is the ultimatum for the governor? Where is it? So, for me, I want to see more people saying Yoruba Ronu, say when our children are dying from avoidable death of trucks running into them and killing them. When our children are being killed in hospital for because they don't have money to pay bill, no medicine or no medicine in the hospital. I want to see ultimatum for the Commissioner of Health at that point. When our people have no food to eat, I want to see ultimatum for the Commissioner of Agriculture. If me and the Sudan now begin issue ultimatum, say I give the governor of Lagos 1 week ultimatum. If you not tell us what happen for Lekki toll gate, we give him 1 week ultimatum. They go let me sit down for a year for my house. They go let me sit down for a year for my house. So all these militias in Africa, not be only for Nigeria, their behavior be that all over Africa. Before you go here say Boko Haram kill one prominent politician for Nigeria, or one prominent, I mean, before you hear anything like that, they don't kill hundreds of thousands of poor Nigerians. Hundreds of thousands of poor Nigerians. Why? Because they cannot spend money on the security of Nigerian people. There's no gain for them. It's less money for them to steal. If they use the money from the budget, employ more Nigerian police, train them, give them gun to go fight those people, it's less money for them to steal. You know, so all this story where you talk about all this unnecessary, let's give ultimatum where ultimatum is due. If we listen to truth, they talk. And if kidnapping is a problem in Yoruba land, we have to issue ultimatum to the Nigerian police force. Yes, because nobody kidnap us past them. Now every day, no matter the amount of ransom where headsmen want collect from kidnapping, Nigerian police make that same amount from ransoming us too. More than that, in just no matter the money they don't collect in 1 year, Nigerian people have paid more to police to free ourselves from illegal detention and kidnapping. Everybody is kidnapping the Nigerian people, left, right, and center. They kidnap us with house rent, they kidnap us with school fees, they kidnap us with hospital bill, anything. You never hear people go hospital, go bomb because they don't get money, they don't let them come out for the hospital. They will kidnap the mother and the unborn child there. Say if you're not going to pay your bill, you don't let them go. So this unnecessary noise everybody they make up and down, left and right to distract us from which our mission be. You know, as we do like this now today, we don't start, we do NSAS protest. We know how many people support NSAS. Everywhere NSAS noise up and down. Now is the time to do the real work for this country, the real work to move this country forward. How many people are still involved? How many? How many? Everybody is back to what they are doing. Status quo is restored. You know. So now, to come completely make us forget totally now the fight what we get for our hand, they want to create new enemy for Nigerian people. It's Fulani people. Fulani people that they kidnap. Fulani people that they kidnap. Pursue Fulani. For 1980, when they squandered the whole Nigerian money, we suffered there for the whole country. Now so they say now Ghana people they spoil Nigeria. Now Ghana people they spoil Nigeria. Now Ghana people they spoil Nigeria. We say begin all Ghana must go. All Ghana must go. We begin pursue the old Ghanaians. We pursue the old Ghanaians finish. You know one Nigeria better than next. How was happening now? So I beg all these lies what they talk for left, right, and center. Okay, so now Nigerian people, you know, Northerners now will feel vilified by the Southerners. Southerners are vilifying. You say, oh, they are pursuing us from the south. They will tell, oh, we are giving ultimatum. All Yoruba and Igbo people must leave the north. Igbo people will say, everybody, I beg you. Now that will be the issue for Nigeria. If there's insecurity in our states, if there's insecurity in our states, we must hold our chief security officers of those states accountable. Why can't they solve this crisis? This has to be the question. This has to be the question that we must ask the government of this country. I don't want to ask Fulani man any question. I don't explain Fulani with the waka. You the waka with anybody with the waka with cow from Kano to Lagos. Me and you know, we no get into discourse. I know say na man you be. You dey waka from Kano to Lagos. No talk too much. You are a different breed. You don't understand? Now government will like the vote. Why can't we talk to them? Why can't we give them ultimatum to do their job? Yoruba Eronu is the right place, a job. If we're going to give ultimatums in Yoruba land, we have to give ultimatum to the Yoruba people we have put in positions of power to protect our interest. So those ones are incompetent. So they are incompetent. We keep quiet. We now want to blame this. I don't get time. That's what I want to discuss today with that. That the 3 points what I want to make for Yoruba people with that today is: one, if we're going to issue ultimatum, we need to start issuing ultimatum to the local government chairman of the area where they kidnap and kill our people. What did they do there? Give him ultimatum of 7 days. If you cannot stop the criminality in the area, make him move away. State governors, what do they do? Commissioner of police, what they do? Give him ultimatum. They can't stop the team and leave our state. Those are the people who need to be giving ultimatums. You know, if you take, okay, you pursue Fulani come up for the whole town. So what does that want mean now? Okay, we pursue all headsmen out of all the Yoruba land now. So those, it means say those kidnappers nobody kidnap again. Or when we pursue all the headsmen, we must also pursue all the outside people waiting for the town. We must pursue everybody. We must look for any Fulani they pursue them new, because you know, how do you tell? It's not if you person they kidnap, where they kill, you don't need cow to do that one. So if you don't pursue out the headsman and cow, in don't go. That one stop kidnapping. So I want us to unite when our children are dying in hospital. Yoruba area, Ejekaronu Sibe. When we cannot afford housing in Yoruba land, people will talk about Yoruba tradition. Forget to say Yoruba pikin not supposed to be homeless. No Yoruba man must be homeless. That the #1 foundation of Yoruba tradition be that. Say all Yoruba children must own land. We are landowners. Now we are all over the streets, up and down. You know, all over the streets, up and down this fucking country. Nobody talk about that tradition. Say, why are we homeless? Is that our tradition to be homeless? Now the tradition of violence, everybody want, they want embrace all the time. Now that one they see them. You know, the tradition where poor and struggling Nigerian people, poor and struggling Yoruba people go and start killing themselves for nothing, for that matter. Not be say if we fight this fight now, pursue all the Fulani out of Yoruba land, say our life go better out. The assurance of that is zero. The assurance, say even if say all of us turn to grace now, say we believe these mad people, we pursue all outside, even join Igbo, pursue all Igbo out of Yoruba land. There is no assurance. In fact, there is less than 0 chance say Yoruba land go better. Knowing that it is these same people we go date here. I cannot do them anything. They are more brutal. When they share one more for like this, I say go trip. So, I beg, make we understand, say, our issues, no dey for all these demagogues. No dey, the solution to our issues, not be the solution to all these demagogues they give us. You know, all these fascists, because they are fascists. They know that way to. They hear Trump for TV. When Trump will say all Mexicans are killers and rapists, all African people are killers and scammers. That's the way they are sounding. All Fulani people are, you know, that's fascism. That's fascism. And we cannot allow fascism, because fascism is born from fear. From fear. When African men start sounding like white supremacists, fear them, run away from them. Run away from them. Because they are afraid to, they fear to tell us who our real enemies be. They don't face those ones. And those ones, they give them money. Those ones, they send them to us to confuse us. What if fella do before they burn your house? They say they don't feel somebody they threaten war. They don't do anything. What if I do before 30 policemen come surround my house? But you see, Bajabi Amila, in the insecurity, they kill somebody for street because they block street. Normal public street where they pass, so where everybody get public street. They say they won't pass, they block the street. Because they block the street, they kill somebody. Not be in the block, but they don't block the street before they do their own protest too. They say in security, they can't use 30 police around my house. When person block my own house, still threatening my life. So that's Nigeria for you. And that's why those people can do it. Man, what do you say? Our lane here, secondly, and most importantly, if we want, we need to also stop police kidnapping. Because even after we don't protest all these ends, they're still kidnapping people. Police is still kidnapping people. Maybe not because they use the word arrest. To arrest somebody means say you go apprehend somebody who commit crime. You understand what I tell you? It means say you go arrest somebody, apprehend somebody who commit crime. That is arrest. If somebody with gun just hijack citizen off the streets, take away in freedom illegally, can't they ask for money before you release that person? That is kidnap. There is no other word for it but kidnap. So we Yoruba people, we are being kidnapped every day by the forces by police force in this country, by SARS, by all their agents. Favorite Benjamin photography. No man, no these people they just say if Yoruba they control Yoruba, if Igbo they control Igbo, nobody go fit chance anybody. Oh, that one a lie. What are you they answer them? As we dey like this, now Yoruba people they control Lagos State. Nobody can tell me anything. The part of Lagos State for Yoruba people they control now it pass. What did they don't do to them? Other than find out something. No man, all these people just. They know that this is, in chaos, now then go thrive. Because for chaos, ideas no matter. Now, if you throw blow, if you do rubbish pass, now you go the chop. So every one of them want engage, they want chop. That's all. That's all. So, there we go. It is important, say, we remember those things where they talk. If we are tired of kidnapping, then maybe they give police 2 ultimatum. Because police is kidnapping us every day and collecting ransom. They call it arrest and bail, but not lie. Now kidnap and ransom, they happen. Case closed. You understand? There's no way we break up any part of this country like this where our suffering no go double. Trust me, ladies and gentlemen, because first of all, now we get money go play the politics now. Who day now? Go day now. I won't do Yoruba Republic. Maybe na first thing will be president of Yoruba land now. Now one first then fire me, fire or she, all these people turn to president for Yoruba land. They will kill all of their face. Now they play. Now this same game will still play. So let's just play it down once and for all. We will forget all these our excuses. Now the cowardice of the militias be that where they talk. So you see all these militias always willing to create descending violence from when they wreak on havoc. Go to Congo. They want to liberate their people. Now the same people they say they want to liberate, they go kill for the Congo. They don't go kill any Igbo man when they steal the diamond. They don't go kill any politician. They don't go kill anybody. Just their own people. They go die every day. That's all. African militia. Well, anywhere where they operate. Now we they die. You can never see them kill the people where they cause the problem. Boko Haram operating them since how many years in the north? How many governors don't drop? Even if they drop one, they don't drop. Even if they drop, is one governor to how many normal people? One policeman to how many normal people? Cowards, all of them. Now we they come meet. We they come meet. Want to kill somebody, want to kill somebody. Now Nigerian people they can't kill. When Nigerian government say want to do their own action, now Nigerian people they will can't kill. So what are we saying? Government killing Nigerian people. You can't come now say you fight government. Hear this kind of sense, so government is killing Nigerian people. You can't show now say you won't fight this government because they're no good. I want to fight them. You say when they kill Nigerian people. Ngwanu. What style is this? What style? And all of us they buy this story like say we be Mugu. You Mugu ni. So if your people won't stop kidnap, I beg, let's also write to the police who give the ultimatum. Stop kidnapping Yoruba people. We cannot count the amount of money and children we have lost. Not be only Fulani tribe that would give ultimatum for kidnap. Bado for Ikorodu. Where their own ultimatum? Where their own ultimatum? I mean, they kidnap people for that place. They kill people. I don't talk say if they want to divide Nigeria. We no go agree make only these people go sit down for office. Decide how they will divide them. Can't do referendum based on which then decide. Not be that kind of divide we divide. Now it can't happen. We as Nigerian people now go decide within the parameters of the division. How the division will happen before we can't do referendum. I dey tell you now. Because these people. So please, that's my short live for tonight. I not been planned this live, but it's just be important for me to show now the comparisons of say many things they kill Yoruba people. Past even this kidnapping. Kidnapping is bad, though. Don't get me wrong. And all this banditry happening in the country. East, west, north, south. I mean, go talk to my homes only for Port Harcourt. Me hear what Port Harcourt people why they see. Go Benin, me hear what Benin people why they see. Everywhere is tough in this country right now. Boys don't lose hope. Boys are everywhere. They don't even no hierarchy and nobody respect anything anymore. Go every corner of this country is burning. You know, everywhere in this country right now, people are finding it tough. Nobody, nowhere, Asab, everywhere. People finding it tough to survive everywhere. And inside all these things, I tell everybody, we are dying from bad road. You see, for me, human being must die. Don't get me wrong, kidnapping, this thing is bad. Yes. Human being must die. Yes, it's true. But it is a shame, say, we die avoidable deaths. Things we're not supposed to cost person life, see they cost our life. How many Yoruba people are dying from hunger as we speak? How many ultimatum have we give our commissioners of agriculture in Yoruba land to stop the death of Yoruba people from hunger? For land where food they grow, where everything they grow left, right, and center. How many Yoruba people they die from bad road? It reach the ones who kidnappers they are killed for this country. Where is the ultimatum for that? Where is the ultimatum for our children on the streets hawking this 2020? See, I go to see this shit, they come begging for money, they just want to sell me groundnut. It irritates my soul. I don't know if you ever buy that kind of market. Nobody has ultimatum for that. They're supposed to catch people for this world. They give, we feel avoid people. Billionaires go on trucks. They don't go feel service and they go put the trucks for road. Truck will kill people. None of these people go talk anything. Go look what all these factories where all these big men own for interior, all this from Kaba to Ogun State, Ibese to Benue. Go look at it, they destroy all those communities. All these big men for Nigeria, they kill people anyhow. You can never hear ultimatum from all these kind of people. For those people say, you are killing people, my people. I'm giving you ultimatum to close this factory. Or I'm giving you ultimatum to stop. Never. How many people are dying from hospital when they pursue us outside from? Say because our people don't get money to treat themselves for this land. How many ultimatum they don't give Commissioner of Health for our states? They don't get ultimatum for that one. Ultimatum call or ultimatum ni.
Ọ̀rọ̀ tí wàhálà tí mò ń fà lórí àwọn Fúlàní ẹ̀sìn mo rí pọ́n ti fẹ́ kó sílùú bọ̀ láti mọ fi ba orúkọ mi jẹ́ kó lè mú kí n weak. Irọ́ ni wọ́n dẹ̀ pa. Gbogbo ìtàn gbogbo táwọn olóṣèlú ń dá lórí ọ̀rọ̀ mi yẹn irọ́ ni wọ́n ń pa. Gbogbo ohun tí Fẹ́mi Òdòǹdú àbí kí ni mọ́kùnrin yẹn rí náà òjòdú yẹn àbójòdú ni wọ́n pè mi ò ní nǹkan kan pọ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ mi ò mọ́rí so gbogbo ohun tó lọ́hùn yẹn irọ́ ni wọ́n ń pa. Àfi tí gbogbo Fúlàní ẹ̀sìn tó ń pa àwọn fámìlì mi tó bá kó lórí ilẹ̀ bàbá wa látó lè mi àti wọn tó níjà kò dẹ̀ sí olóṣèlú kankan tó lè fẹ́ mi lówó lórí nǹkan tí mò ń ṣe torí mi ò gbogbo jọ́tẹ̀mí àti èmi àtàwọn Fúlàní ajínigbé tán ti ń já àwọn bàbá mi gbé láti ibijọ́ mẹ́ta yìí tí ìbá yẹ pé mo lọ́bẹ̀ tọ́lọ́run fún mi ṣe láti lọ́bẹ̀ ìjọba kankan ọ̀ràn àwọn pípù yẹn lọ́wọ́ náà wọ́n ṣe mọ́ pa wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹnìkan kò lọ́bẹ̀ ìgbà tí mo tó lọ ní gbogbo ayé tó mọ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ mo dẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ lọ torí ìlú mi níbẹ̀ fámìlì mi ni wọ́n ìlà tí ń bẹ lójú bàbá Bóròdé ní ń bẹ lójú mi mẹ́rin bí mẹ́ta ń bí fámìlì mi ni wọ́n èmi ò dẹ̀ lè lajú olójú òní lajú ẹlẹ́kìtà lùgbọ́ kó sí lóhun tó mú mi lọ́bẹ̀ olóṣèlú tó bá lè sọ pé mo gbowó lọ́wọ́ òun kọ́ bọ́ta kó sọ kí gbogbo ayé rí i pé òun lòun fún mi lówó lórí nǹkan tí mò ń ṣe ẹnìkan kò fún mi lówó ohun tí mò ń sọ ni pé kí àlàáfíà jọba.